Hey guys, welcome back to another video of Freightmaster Resources. I know it's been a minute since I've done a video for you guys, but I was actually out for surgery and I got the call sort of like last minute, like, hey, if you want to do this, let's get you in now. So I do apologize. I would have given you guys a heads up otherwise, but I am back and if you remember in one of the more recent previous videos, I was mentioning to you guys about this new TMS system that's out there. It's for carriers, dispatchers, shippers, brokers. Okay, and I told you that I would get you guys a link. I will drop a free trial link in the bottom there if you guys want to check it out. It's a really great system, and this is going to be part one in a series of tutorials, kind of like showing you the back end of it all. Okay, so I guess without further ado, let's jump right into it.
Given its critical role, transport planning is essential, and good planning reaps rewards and efficiencies that add to the bottom line, your profit. Loadstop automates the entire process of planning, providing you with the best options available instantly. Carrier planning, along with truck postings and load boards, is one of the three modules included in what we call the Loadstop Smart Dispatcher. Let's see how the carrier planning works. The planning module can be accessed from the top menu of the Loadstop portal here. The module allows you to create multiple plans or profiles for your fleet. This will determine the way in which your fleet operates. You can create a plan or profile in 3 easy steps. First, click on the Create New Carrier Plan located at the top here. Fill in the general information in the fields provided, like plan name. Select the carrier and the home city. Home city will be the starting point and is usually where your yard is located. Fill out the load profile information. Input minimum haul distance. This is the minimum miles the carrier will accept for hauling goods. Any loads with less than the specified miles will be ignored by the smart dispatcher. Fill in the maximum haul weight and the additional stops that you are willing to do besides the first pickup and the final delivery. Additional stops can be 0 or more. Maximum origin deadhead and maximum destination deadhead. Maximum trip days. This is a very important field as it will determine the possible lane combinations that can be covered by a driver during a trip, including backhaul. Rest days is a number of days off that a driver will take after returning home from a trip. Remember, this is critical information, as this data will be used by the smart dispatcher to filter loads in the load board module. Once you're satisfied with the figures, click Save to save the plan. Step 2 is to select the markets you want to cater to, or the lanes you want to drive. The powerful smart dispatcher will now automatically and intelligently figure out all the market possibilities for you based on the trip profile data you entered in the previous step. The list of markets can be viewed by the market names or by state. Double-click on state or market to select it. You can use the arrow buttons to select or deselect markets. The selected market for the plan is shown on the map in green on the right side of the screen. Select the market you want to view and click on it. View it on the map. Markets can be selected from the map as well. Simply hover on the icon to see the market name. Click on it to access the pop-up with the market information. Changing or editing the data in the carrier plan will automatically change the market selection. For example, if you change the maximum number of trip days, the choice of your possible markets will change accordingly. Any existing markets that do not conform with the new data will turn red. Conversely, markets not included earlier will turn green if they fall within the parameters of the new data. Once you're satisfied with the figures, click Save to save the plan. Step 3. Step 3 lets you assign the plan to a driver. This assignment will be used by the Smart Dispatcher automated posting module to apply the plan to postings. In the Edit mode, select the Assign Driver button located at the top here. From the list, select the driver you want to assign the plan to. The driver's current plan will be displayed in blue. Once you're satisfied with the figures, click Save to save the plan. A plan can also be assigned to a specific market. This assignment will be used by the Smart Dispatcher in the Automated Posting module to determine posting lanes. Again, in the Edit mode, select the Assign Market button from the top here. This assignment will be used by the Smart Dispatcher in the Automated Posting module to determine posting lanes. Search for markets by state or market name. Select the desired market to assign to a plan and click on it. Click Save. Note that selecting market assignment will override all driver profiles and will match the current location of the closest driver from among all the drivers to post assign lanes. If no market is not assigned to a plan, the system will then use the driver profile to post lanes. Still got questions? Our friendly support team is available to help you 24/7. Chat, call, or email now to our support team for quick answers.
Okay, guys, I hope that gave you a pretty good insight into part of the back end. I think it's phenomenal. You guys drop a comment down below. Let me know what you think. If you click and use the free trial, again, drop me a comment. Let me know what you think. In my opinion, my humble opinion, I think it's phenomenal. Again, this is the first part in a series of tutorial videos that I will be releasing, over the next coming days, weeks, etc. To kind of give you guys some more insight. But yeah, just kind of want to drop in, let you guys know why I'd been away for a little while, and ultimately, finally release, this Loadstop platform for you guys. So that being said, I'm gonna sign off. If you guys haven't got your copy of the free shipper leads list, there's like 121,000 plus shipper leads on there, guys. We actually have that on sale right now for $30. $30. You break that down, 121,000. Well, let's grab a calculator real quick. I knew I was gonna shut this off. Oops, I did that wrong. Yeah, that's like 0.0002 cents per lead. So, hey guys, even if you're all set, it's nice to have that list in your back pocket just in case, you lose a couple of customers or something down the road. Again, it's normally $50. It's down to $30 for a limited time, guys. So I'll drop a link, obviously in the description for you guys, along with that free trial link for Loadstop. If you guys have any questions, comments on anything, love it, hate it, whichever. Again, drop me a comment, and we'll catch you on the next one. All right. Hey, and remember, be kind to one another. Bye.